It is time for the latest and the most comprehensive breakdown of the biggest news stories in Western Visayas. This is Panay News Tonight. Here are the top stories of the day. The national government is eyeing to push back the resumption of in-person classes for school year 2022 to 2023 from August to November. This is to give teachers and local governments enough time to ensure a safe school environment and step up vaccinations against COVID-19. With this, Ilonggo City Mayor Jerry Pitrañas said the city government will coordinate with schools for the distribution of the COVID-19 booster shots to students. Meanwhile, Department of Region 6 Information Officer Hernani Escoliar Jr. said they have no problem with opening classes on November. Under DepEd Order No. 29, Series of 21, school year 2021 to 2022 should have ended on June 24. However, teachers still had to organize end-of-school year rites until July, as well as conduct remedial and enrichment classes for students who received failing grades. Ilonggo won more than 400 million pesos in the 655 Grand Lotto drawn on Saturday, July 9. The Philippine Charity Sweepstakes Office said that the ticket was bought in Ilonggo City. The lone jackpot winner won exactly 401,186,804 pesos and 80 cents with the winning combination 2, 18, 49, 7, 19, and 47. The prize will be subject to 20% tax in accordance with the train law. The Lotto prize will also be considered forfeited if it is not claimed by the winner within 1 year from date of draw. The provincial government of Negros Occidental has stepped up its border control against the African swine fever. This is following reports of ASF cases in Camiguin early this week. Provincial Veterinary Officer Dr. Placeda Lemana said Governor Eugenio Jose Lacson wants to protect their status as one of the country's few provinces still free from ASF. Negros Occidental remains the country's #1 in backyard swine raising, with the industry estimated at around 6 billion pesos. And those are tonight's latest headlines. This is your anchor, Elisha Lusaria Pumida. Good evening. For more stories, check our website, www.panaynews.net. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Grab the digital copy of Panay News on Press Reader. Read Panay News via the Inquirer Plus app and avail a free 30-day trial. Join Panay News community on Viber. Don't forget to always wear your face masks and face shields, sanitize your hands, and observe proper physical distancing.